Good morning, Eugene, and today we start turning your engine YD08DZT. Turning good, all compressions complete. At the front, engines looks good, as you can see. No damage, no broken, all nice. Compressor looks good, no damage, all nice. Socket looks good, in good conditions. And on this side, engines looks good. All windows looks good, no damage, no water, all nice. Gearbox look as well, as you can see. And on this side, engines looks good, no damage. Starter look as well, as you can see, all nice. Altimeter looks good, no damage, no broken. Socket looks good, in a good conditions. And on the top, as you can see, plastic looks good, no damage, no broken. All connectors looks good. And on the bottom, as you can see, no cracks, no damage, no leaks, all nice, all good. And turning your engine YD08DZT.